All right, what's up, guys? We're about to do an oil change on the 1 Series real quick. So first things first, you're going to want to go ahead and unloosen your oil filter. I already done the basic practice like loose, so it's pretty much already set to go. So we'll be back. All right, once you have the filter and the filter housing unloosed, you can go ahead and lift it out. Let all that extra oil drain off. Pop your filter off. Put it on your oil filter. Put it on your oil catch little thing. All right, so now you got 2 seals to get off, this one and that one. You're gonna need a little tool to usually get it off. Be anything. Shit, one of my fucking loud ass neighbors at home. Let me find the fucking pick real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, once you find your little tool, a little screwdriver like this, you're gonna take the bottom seal, get it up and over, pop that one off. Take your top seal, do the same exact thing. I'm actually about to change this to an aluminum filter housing. Alright, now that you got those 2 off, you can take your 2 new ones and put them on. Be right back. Now you can go ahead and put your first seal on the bottom. Make sure you put it on nice and even. Try not to snap the seal. Just like that. You see it nice and on there. Then grab your new top seal out the baggie. And with this one, it does come with a new oil filter. Oil pan bolt washer. So there we go. Get that guy on there like that. Then you can take your new K&N filter and just push her right down. Oop. Sometimes they don't want to go on all of it. There we go. And you just want to make sure she's seated nicely. All right, so once you got your oil pan bolt loose, you can just go ahead and spin her out. Make sure you got your fucking catch pan underneath too. There we go. All right, now we're gonna let that drain out and we'll be right back. All right, and after you've done all that, you can go ahead and fill this motherfucker up with some oil. Also, we're about to do timing chain, rod bearings, rods, and pistons on this guy, just for the fun of it. Make a whole little series out of it. Get that 5W30 in there. I don't know something funny. I had a customer one time book me for an oil change, and they said they had all the materials. Mind you, they had a fucking 2013 Camaro SS. Why the fuck this nigga walk out the house with an oil filter and literally one of these fucking blew the shit out of me. But without further ado, about to fill this up and we're gonna be done for tonight. And Valvoline, give me that fucking sponsorship. What y'all doing out here? Sponsor Project 128. All right, guys, that's the end of the video, though. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace out.